In this guide, you'll learn how to check if your Instagram account has been hacked. First, launch your Instagram app. Navigate to your profile page. Click on three bars given at the top right. Now head over to the section Account Center. Navigate to the option Password and Security. The first thing we will check is where you are logged in. Tap where you are logged in. Click on your Instagram username. Here you're going to find all the devices where your account is logged in. If you found out any suspicious device, click on Select Devices to log out, check in for the device, click on Log Out and confirm it. Next thing you want to do is head back, click on the option Login Alerts, select your Instagram username, make sure in-app notifications are enabled and that your email is linked so you'll get notified whenever someone logs into your account. Now head back to Settings and Privacy page. At the top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in Security Checkup. Once the option appears, click on that. Now follow these steps to make your account more secure. Start by creating a stronger, unique password and make sure your email and phone number are correct. Adding a phone number helps with recovery. Lastly, enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. By following these steps, you can significantly secure your Instagram account and reduce the chances of future hacks. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.